doing a landscape video. I'm down at Budleigh Beach, Budleigh Salterton Beach. Well, I kind of got a filter set from K&F. They give me magnetic ND filters and we're going to try and do some long exposure. I'll just show you some photos.